If a service designer has to work with a space, and sadly, he can't hire a spatial designer to work with him because budgets are limited, or he doesn't know one. What is one trick, one tip that you will say, please do that, and you're already doing something good?
Go to this place, you have to design, and one time you see it full busy with everybody, and then you go on the next day when it's empty, and you check out the same space from the same position when it's empty.
So be in the space multiple times at different times to see the differences.
Yes, like probably the crazy change from busy to empty.
Design for the full range of users. Wonderful. What will be your advice?
Just speaking to the people and getting to know what they need, because they need the space, so you should get to know them and what they do.
So get to know people, understand what they do and why they are doing it here. Thank you so much.
Think about experience and interactions in space first, and then about the furniture.